Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you one other unique theme inside VS Code, which is called as dark green jungle theme. If you just write this, the very first result which comes right here is used by almost 20,000 developers. Simply click this, and once you activate this, this will look something like this. It will add this nice little green background effect, and you can see that. So I personally like this theme here because it gives you this flavor that you are in a jungle. You can see it adds this green highlighting effect, background effect as well. You can see that all the things appear in a greenish color, greenish way. So if you like this, definitely install this extension, dark green jungle theme. Everything relaxed theme with dark green palette. So it supports multiple languages, as you can see in their documentation. So also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.